युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. So again, in this verse we will see that who all characters are mentioned and what are their specialities. So very first person is Yudhamanyu and the second one is Uttamauja. So Yudhamanyuscha Vikranta Uttamaujascha Viryavan. Viryavan, that is both of them are really very great. But who are these two people? That is Yudhamanyu and Uttamauja. So both of these are great warriors and prince of kingdom of Panchal. So there was a kingdom by name Panchal and Yudhamanyu and Uttamauja. Both of them were the great warrior prince of Panchal. Apart from this, what is their speciality and what is their special role in this battle? That is, both of them are appointed as Chakra Rakshak of the chariot of Arjun. That is, in the battlefield, they will protect the chariot of the Arjun, right? And coming to the second sentence, second line of this verse, that is Saubhadro. So what is Saubhadro? Saubhadro is son of Subhadra. So who was Subhadra? We all know that Subhadra was wife of Arjun. And who was son of Subhadra and Arjun? The very famous character, that is Abhimanyu. So Saubhadro is son of Subhadra, that is Abhimanyu. And after Saubhadro there is another word, that is Draupadeyascha. So what is Draupadeyascha? The main word is Draupadeya and Shcha. This pronunciation is just, it's Cha in Sanskrit as we say, and in Sanskrit we say Cha. So in Sanskrit texts, rather in Mahabharata and especially in Bhagavad Gita, many times we will find this pronunciation Shcha. So this Shcha is not Shcha, but it is only Cha, which gets joined to the another word. So we should remove Cha from the main word and read the first word and then analyze its meaning. So Draupadeya means son of Draupadi, rather sons of Draupadi. So we all know that Draupadi was a common wife of 5 Pandavas, right? So who all were the sons of Draupadi? From each Pandav she had sons. So let's see. So who all were the son of Draupadi? Very first one, the eldest Pandav, that is Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir and Draupadi had a son named as Prativindhya. So first one, Yudhishthir and Draupadi, Prativindhya. Then Bhim and Draupadi, that is Sutasoma. After that, Arjun and Draupadi, the name of their son was Shrutakarma. And then come Nakul. Nakul and Draupadi, the son was Shatanika. And the last one, Shrutasena, that is son of Draupadi and Sahadev. So let's again see from the Yudhishthir it was Prativindhya. From Bhim it was Sutasoma. From Arjun it was Shrutakarma. From Nakul it was Shatanik, and from Sahadev it was Shrutasena. Fine. So now we got to know what is Saubhadra, that is son of Subhadra, and what is Draupadeya, that is sons of Draupadi. And the last one, and rather the last term used in this verse is that Maharathaha. So this is adjective associated to all of these, that is they all are great warriors who are able to fight this war from the chariot, that is Maharathaha. So again, in this verse we don't have any great philosophy or something. It's very simple verse telling about who all were involved in this battle.